Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel Next Gen. Today, I'll show you 10 powerful Excel functions in just 3 minutes that can instantly boost your productivity. First up, the most basic but powerful function, sum. Use it to add numbers quickly. Next is average. It calculates the mean of values. Now, let's talk about logic, the if function. It checks a condition and returns a result. Example, equals, if A1 greater than 50, pass, fail. Need to join text? Use concatenate or and symbol. Example, equals A1 and B1. Extract text from the left, using left. And from the right, using right. Want to count characters? Use len. For current date, just use today. Example, equals today. Find the smallest number with min. Example, equals min A1. And the largest number with max. Example, equals max A1. And that's it. 10 Excel functions in just 3 minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Excel Next Gen for more amazing Excel tips.